Want a modern electronics lab that runs smoothly and adapts to current and future training needs? Discover Electeo, a blended learning solution designed to streamline electronics education in schools and industry. Electeo offers a reliable, productive environment for optimal laboratory sessions. The base unit connects to most devices via wired or wireless options. No software installation required. The courses and virtual instruments are accessible in common web browsers or in Festo LX. Choose from a growing collection of ready-to-use courses built on a solid framework that keeps learners engaged and simplifies lesson planning. Use the complete courses or handpick units. Add your own content or combine content from multiple courses to create personalized learning paths. Each course has clear learning objectives and emphasizes hands-on experimentation. Learners build circuits and measure values using built-in virtual instruments. No external equipment needed. Results appear instantly on the screen. Indicator lights highlight errors for easy troubleshooting. Through a mix of multimedia-supported theory, guided exercises, and real-world projects, learners get a thorough understanding of the subject matter and gain skills in circuit analysis, design, testing, and troubleshooting, plus essential soft skills. Harness the power of electronics. Discover more about Electeo today.